Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, we are looking at this product here by Kiehl, if it's going to focus. So as you can see, this is just a sample size that I've received, but I wanted to share my first impressions using it over a couple of days, if I would purchase it or would not purchase it. So it's the Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum. First impression is I like the packaging, whether it's this or the actual packaging. I just love that even their samples are so high quality and they match the actual full-size product. I think that is incredible. And I like that they have the colors on each of their products. So, you know, if you're looking for something on a shelf with a heap of products, you can specifically find what you're looking for by color. So yeah, super helpful. Now I'm going to read you about this product. So it comes in a 30 ml bottle and it retails for $98 in Australia. It says, our skin strengthening serum penetrates the skin to 8 surface layers deep to help correct signs of aging through visibly diminishing fine lines and reviving tired looking dull skin, which can be caused by skin aging stresses. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, our small form hyaluronic acid, our proprietary adaptogenic herbal complex. Our potent super serum deeply penetrates the skin's surface layers. What it's good for: strengthening the skin within its deepest surface layer, helps correct visible signs of aging, which can be caused by skin stresses, pollution, stress, and sun exposure. Visibly reduces fine lines, improves resilience, and boosts radiance for glowing, healthy looking skin. It absorbs easily and can be used for all skin types, including sensitive skin. I just have my baby here, so if you hear noises, that's what that is. So first impression, the smell to me is really like earthy. Like, I would say yeah, that's the best way I could definitely describe it. I don't know what's specifically in it. For the scent, doesn't say, I'm not sure, but earthy is the thing. What it also says how to use is apply onto cleansed skin, face, neck, morning and night. Can be used under other serums or moisturizers. Avoid contact with eyes. So, as I said, it smells super earthy, which kind of put me off. It's quite strong and I didn't really like it. Now, going by, obviously I only had a really small sample size that I have tried, but I actually loved it. I loved that even within the couple of days that I did use this, I noticed a difference in how my skin looked. It didn't have that dull look anymore. And honestly, it felt so soft, so hydrated and plump. And I just absolutely, like, I love it. This is something I would put on my shopping list to try it. As I said, the smell was quite off-putting. That is the one thing that I do not like about it. However, I really like what this did in a short amount of time. If you've tried this, let me know your thoughts or let me know your favorite Kiehl's product down below. I've tried a few and I actually really love quite a few of their products. So highly recommend checking this out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye!